we recently came back from the Nürburgring and it was awesome. I have a lot of cool content coming up, such as hill climbs and also more Touristenfahrten laps. But I thought it would be cool to start with the highlight, and that is chasing Misha down in the Golf R32 of my dad. But first, let's talk about the journey. Everything went very great with my car. It was the second time I've been there with my Focus RS. First time I did my own lap. I just turned 90 years old, so that was pretty cool to finally do my first lap. No problems at all. This car pushes really good. It is a bit dirty, just as the R32, which you will see in a bit, but no problems at all with my car, except for my tires and the brake pads. I think I need some new ones. The tires are pretty gone, and the brake pads too, because the brakes were really vibrating at the Touristenfahrten laps and I really noticed it. So I think I have to order some new EBC yellow stuff maybe for the brake pads, which are actually much better. And this is the BMW M140i also of my dad, but this year we didn't go with the M140i but with the R42. We went with it several times. Great car, but the R42 is cool for the Nürburgring. And you're probably wondering where the R42 is. Well, I just put it in the garden over there. I thought it would be cool to first talk about the car and then taking it on the Nürburgring, so you guys know a little bit context about the car and the upgrades, because that is really important. I also recently made a coffee run with this car and explained everything in detail. But for the people who are new on my channel, I will guide you through very fast so you can enjoy those laps. So let's start off with these Motec wheels and the Brembo C18's Porsche's brakes, which are also being used on Porsche Cayennes. It is a big brake kit and it brakes really good. Also, we got some less weight because of the carbon fiber mirror caps, and we also got this insane loud Miltec non-resonated exhaust. To be honest, I'm a bit surprised that we didn't got sent off the Nürburgring because of the decibel limit that this car produces. So we also got a KW DDC adjustable suspension. Also the DSG knob has been finished in an Alcantara finish, such as the steering wheel, which is custom made. Let me turn that wheel around real quick. So, oh, that's the wiper. Really lovely custom made Alcantara steering wheel. And then let's open the hood, because that is where the magic happens. Look at that. That's much better. So it is equipped with the VR6, which is of course stock on the R32. The Verkuur's Ryan motor is the inline 6 or V6. No one actually knows. It is a very weird V6 in a 15-degree formation. Volkswagen calls it the V6, but also the VR6. So is it an inline 6 or a V6 or a VR6? No one actually knows. And we also got this huge Motorsport carbon forged intake. So that is actually it from the engine. It is completely stock. The car itself is of course 4Motion, so it is 4-wheel drive. It has 250 horsepower and 320 Newton meters of torque. But this car is mainly pure for fun. And in the trunk we got a cool strap brace on the rear seats, which improves the stability. So I hope you guys are a bit excited for the Touristenfahrten laps. I will be driving my Focus RS behind Misha, and I actually installed my 360 cam in the R32 where Misha will be driving, so you can see me chasing Misha. I honestly didn't see it as a competition, but mostly pure for fun. So if you really are into Nürburgring content, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, because a lot of cool content will be following up very soon.
Alright, we made it on the track. The lap before that we had like 3 yellows, so hopefully now it's not going to be as depressing as the last one.
Yeah, go.
If we have the nice rumble of the VR6 engine, so off we go.
remtrillen enorm.
most importantly.
Approval from Misha.
Cannot want full braking. The ABS doesn't understand what the hell is happening because it's not programmed for such a big unit. But other than that, I liked it. It was really nice to just smoothly follow the lines and have good fun. So
Yeah.
it was a lot of fun. Hope you had fun as well. Oh, did he now? Yeah, he has damage on the back.
Oh, yeah.
User.